Did you see my window screen window?
Yeah, yes, sir. That's fine. No, after the class, whether you will be uploading the video, sir.
Hmm.
Actually, I requested that I will be in a travel during the time. They said
Hmm.
after conversation, they will record the video and they will be upload to you.
Yes, I will upload on portal, and
Or you are
from
uploading
there,
the portal.
yes, on the portal you will see from there on your.
Okay. That
Class.
will be in a lifetime, right?
Yeah, it's lifetime, I think.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
And see, today we have an introduction about Civil 3D,
Okay.
so no worry about this.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. So see what we have in today class. Today we have an introduction about land survey, land development, and transportation designing, and we have introduction about AutoCAD Civil 3D. I'm going to introduce you some working environment like workspace, tool space, object style, level style, creating template, and creating reports. So I'll going to do this introduction. See, these are the I have created some introduction about land surveying. So what is land survey? That land survey is the science of applying calculation and making accurate measurement of spatial position of natural or man-made feature on the surface of the earth. So these are a small introduction about land surveying, and we have a small role of land surveyor. So I will share you this PPT. So just a minute.
So can you send to us in a mail?
Yes, yeah, I will share you on your number. You have registered with your WhatsApp number now on Cloud Campus.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
so I'll share you on that.
Okay,
So
sir.
know all about this. If you are engineers, not civil engineers, so we'll know all about this. What is the land survey? How many types of survey we have, like chain survey, theodolite survey? Because Civil 3D is software in which we can take all the surveys data uh,
Okay,
data
sir.
points, and then we create surface. Then according to surface we develop that land surface in residential or road or rail or water uh, pipe.
Okay,
So
sir.
these are the land development introduction. I will share you this PPT, so you can read this all PPT. We have some transportation designing, and how many way we have, like highway, rail, air, water, and pipeline, as well as urban and intermodal transportations will do. See, these are the introduction. All this we have the introduction about highway, rail, air, water, pipeline transportation, urban transportation, intermodal transportations, environmental considerations. So I have all included here. So most important, see what is the Civil 3D software, introduction about Civil 3D software. So see, AutoCAD Civil 3D software is a civil engineering design and documentation software that supports building information modeling workflow on the variety of civil infrastructure project type, including road and highway, land development, rail, airport, and waters. So actually, Civil 3D is a BIM software. BIM is a concept. So in BIM, there is not only a Civil 3D software. In BIM, there is a Revit software, Civil 3D software, Navis work, infra work. So these some softwares are in under BIM software. So BIM means we have all the information about building, we have all the information about the land, their surveyors, and about road, rail, and pipelines. So that's why we call this software as a building BIM software. So AutoCAD will help you to organize project data, create and analyze surface, create block layout, road corridor, and layout of networks of roads, rails, airways, waterways, and pipelines. There is some basic drafting concept in Civil 3D. Actually, the software name is AutoCAD Civil 3D, but mostly we work in 2D. But actual work, when you convert that work in 3D, no, you can see that road in 3D, all the surface in 3D. But mostly we work in a 2D view. And see, Civil 3D allow for automatic updating. So Civil 3D we allowed automatic updating about the points, about the survey, about the surface, about the road coordinates, about the rail coordinates. So it will give us automatic update, because all the points name, elevations, easting, northing, all the coordinates and layers already inbuilt in this software. So we no need to create any new things. In all the things are inbuilt, but we need only survey points of any land areas. So Civil 3D enable planning and drafting 3D component using grading, corridors, etc. Corridors means like road corridor, rail corridors. Surface model constructed from survey points. So for surface, we need some coordinates point, which will pick by the surveying a land by a total station, or by a chain survey, or by a topology, or by a theodolite. So about that, what we give the points, so we'll import in Civil 3D and make a surface. Layer management has a lot of functionality. So in Civil 3D we have a layer management which is already available. Then we have the prospectus in the main Civil 3D window, discuss polyline, 2D polyline, 3D polyline, and feature line. So we have these polylines in Civil 3D. There is a block, snap, snap grid, property window, tool platter. So these are the some tools in Civil 3D. We'll see. These are the elements review. For working in Civil 3D, first we need a survey. Okay, we have to do some survey, and then after survey we get some points. We import that point in Civil 3D. Then after importing point, we create surface. Then after surface, we create alignments. Then we calculate the volume calculation of cut and fill, material of road, solder materials. Okay, grading, we have grading to define slope, and we have alignment. Alignment will use for corridors, sections, and for rails, pipelines. Profile will show us a cross sections of surface or road designing. Then we have corridor. Corridor is the assemblies of building, road, waterway, and etc. Used for long alignment type application. Define one or more cross sections for a structure elements and apply to an alignment. Then we get sections. Sections means we get all sections of a road. If you are creating 1 kilometer road, so you have defined some interval in between that road, like a 20 meter, 50 meter interval. So it will cut all the sections view. Then we have pipe works, annotations. Annotation means to specify the detailing, drafting of points and surfaces. This is the working environment of Civil 3D. So let's see the actual software. And I am using Civil 3D 2018 version. Okay, so latest version of this Civil 3D is 2023. But I am using old one, 2018. So there is no difference between in 2023 and 2018. Only the difference between is interface will change there. Only that things will change. Only the looks will change of this working environment. Then see, these are the working environment of Civil 3D. And see, at first see these options at corner. This is called a main application bar. When you click on main application, see you get some new open, save as, save. And before it, when you open Civil 3D, so you get this welcome window. I just show you. See, this type of welcome window you get when you open Civil 3D. Same as like AutoCAD, you get the same options here. Like we have the options to get a start. We have the start drawing options. We have template options. If you click here, see, we have a template. Template means there is a two templates in every software.